Hello everyone, myself Jhansi Reddy from the section of Aryabhatta, semester 6 semester from the College Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Now we are going to discuss about the topic Lex and Yak tutorial regarding to the subject System Software and Compiler Design. Now we are going to discuss about the outline, the overview of Lex and Yak, structure of Lex and specification, structure of Yak specification, some hints of Lab 1. And the overview is Lex means a lexical analyzer generator. A Lex is nothing but a lexical analyzer generator. Generates lexical analyzer, which means scanners or lexers. Yeah, yet another compiler compile. Generates parser based on an analytic grammar. Flex is free scanner alternative to Lex. Bison is free parser generator program written for the GNU project alternative to. And this is the diagrammatic view of the scanner, parser, Lex and Yak. Here the source program is pointed towards the scanner and the scanner is pointed towards the parser, and the symbol table is connected for the scanner and the parser, and the YY spec is connected to the YY Lex YY, and it is connected to the C compiler. In the same way, the Yak spec is connected to the name tab.c, name.tab.h, and it is connected for the C compiler. Lex specification definition section. Here is some of the simple program which represent the Lex. Percent open braces include zcals.tab.h, include zcals.h, include math.h. Where the top line represents you should include this, Yak will generate this file automatically. Whereas the second line represent user defined header file. The Lex specification rules section. Here is the Lex specification rule section. First one is the format, and it will be followed by the two patterns. The patterns are corresponding actions, where the pattern is a regular expression and corresponding action are the C expressions. Here is the example of the Lex specification rule section, where 1 to 0 and 0 to 9 star represents 0 to 9, 1 to 9 means plus it may be. This unsigned integer will be accepted as a token, hence 1 to 9 is unsigned, it will be accepted as the token. On the right side, yyl val d dot val is equals to a toy yy text return number, where d val you need to define these two in y file. There are two nodes on using Lex. Lex matches token with longest match. Input ABC, rule is A to Z plus. And the token we have used over here is ABC, not A or AB. The second one is Lex uses the first application rule. Input is post, rule 1 is post, rule 2 is small a to z and the capital A to Z plus, where the rule 1 print of the hello, while the rule 2 print the world. It will print hello, not world. Here is a skeleton of the Yak specification .y file. X.y, it shows the x.tab.c is generated after the running. Here is some of the program which represent the skeleton of the Yak specification. C global variables prototype comments and definition section is declares of tokens recognized in parser, and the production rules section. There will be three steps like definition section, production rule section and auxiliary subordinates. The second one is production rule section. Here how to understand the input and when what the action to take for each section it will show. And the next one is Yak specification definition section 2. Before we have studied the definition section 1, now we are studying the definition section 2. Here the symptomatic view of the program like percent left minus, it will be represented as minus, and plus percent left it will be represented as multiplication symbol and division symbol as well as the percentage, which defines operators, precedence and associatively. Here we can solve problem in slide 30. Percent type dval expression statement list, dval logical expression. Here it defines a non-terminal name with a name you will define in rule section. And the next one is Yak specification production rule through. Here is the example, the statement expression printf and some of the symbols has been given, and here is the some of the expressions which will be included: addition, subtraction, and as well as the multiplication, and the final value of performing non-terminal action only for writing, not reading. Value of the nth concatenated element. What will happen if you have input 2 plus 3 into 4? Avoiding ambiguous expression. That's the reason why we need to define operators precedence in definition section. And the next is one hints for lab 1. In the we are going to study about this in the exercise 4 to 5. Functions for making expression. It can be different functions by the type of a node, a kind of expression, number, name, and so on. You can make functions like the action field, the function like the function has been given below, and the next one is the action field. For each production in your YAG file can call your function. You can declare just a sentence is recursively parsed. est is recursively but built up and traversed. And these are the reference link of the Elex and YAG pages. If you have any doubt, you can go through these references. Thank you for watching my video.